Welcome to view this video. We'll show some steps of maintenance reverse osmosis membrane and water system. First, adjust the red water valve. At the same time, notice the air pressure gauge. Above 3 datas are okay, but the water flow gauge doesn't have any data change, means that the water system cannot normal work again. Membranes are need to be maintained and replaced. Do you see some scalant into the gauge? Yes, the yellow part is the scalant. We are checking precision filter. Scalant everywhere.it is not easy to remove. The stainless steel protection shell inner also has lots of fouling. We clean them now. These RO membranes cannot be used. Compare to them, I think white one is the newest. I like it. Do you find some slightly fouling inside the membrane? A little dark place. In fact, this one just be used less than month. Maybe the water quality is really not good. Now that finish the inside cleaning, replace the new membrane for the system. Replace another 5 for the precision filter. We prepay antiscalant liquid for reversing flush. This step is very necessary and need correct guide. Wrong method maybe damage your equipment. Before beginning to reverse flush, test the hardness of water. ppm 234. Another precision filter looks much more terrible. Brown fouling, replace new membranes for it. Reverse flush, the water flow towards raw tank looks very turbid. Okay, finish the flow, test the pure water now. ppm 24 good water quality. Drinking water standard, all the maintenance have been finished. We leave some antiscalant for customer to use by himself. Review this row system work path. Hope this video can help you to maintain reverse osmosis membrane in daily life. Thanks for your watching.